What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So if you have been suffering from oily skin, acne, breakouts, blemishes, post-acne scarring, well, you are at the right place because I have a solution to all of these skin concerns. If you want to learn, keep on watching. So those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Anna. I am a cosmetic nurse. I make videos about skincare, health and fitness, and if you want to know my tips, start right here. Subscribe to my channel and you will never miss out on another video. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. As I promised, I'm gonna give you the solution to oily skin, acne, breakouts, blackheads, blemishes and post-acne scarring. For all of these skin concerns, I have a perfect solution. I have this clear skin anti-acne skincare kit from a brand called La Clinica. Like O Cosmetics, La Clinica is an Australian brand very well known for their active ingredients and just in the right amount. This kit contains 5 products carefully selected and packed in this toiletry bag by La Clinica. This kit contains an anti-blemish face wash, an intensive spot serum, oil control cream, and facial exfoliating scrub and mask, as well as a La Clinica facial cloth which meant to be really good for exfoliation. So this kit contains 5 products and it costs around $105 here in Australia, but you can buy the products in this kit individually as well. So the first product in the kit is anti-blemish face wash. 250 ml of product in this packaging, comes with this handy dandy pump, easy to dispense, costs around $27.50 here in Australia. Formulated for normal to oily skin, it's soap free. You can also use if you are suffering from psoriasis and ingrown hair, and it's also really good for dandruff, and it also works as an anti-dandruff shampoo, so you can also use it as a shampoo. So the main ingredient in this face wash are salicylic acid, spearmint and clear active complex. Salicylic acid, as you know, is a BHA, beta hydroxy acid. Salicylic acid has the capacity to dive deep into your pores and remove that excessive oil, dirt and makeup and help your pores to breathe, and that's how it helps to treat acne. Second one is spearmint. Spearmint has got anti-inflammatory properties. It helps calm down that acne prone irritated skin. People also drink spearmint tea to treat their acne. And the third ingredient in this packaging is clear active complex. Clear active complex helps to reduce the pore size. It helps to maintain the skin hydration. It helps to prevent the post-acne hyperpigmentation, and it helps to brighten the skin. Then comes directions to use. La Clinica advises use this face wash twice a day, morning and night. Use it with warm water, wet your face with the warm water, then apply all over your face and remove this face wash using warm water and La Clinica cloth which comes with this kit. So the second product in this kit is this intensive spot serum. 50 ml of packaging, comes with the pump, very easy to dispense, costs around $27.50 here in Australia. This is designed for all ages. This is specially formulated for oily and acne prone skin. The good thing about this intensive spot serum is it won't strip off your skin's natural oils. So the main ingredient in this intensive spot serum are vitamin B complex, allantoin, tea tree oil and lemon myrtle oil. Vitamin B complex is very well known for its acne treatment. Vitamin B complex treats acne by regulating the excessive oil production. It maintains the oil production, and that's how it treats the acne. Then comes allantoin. Allantoin has got very healing and soothing properties. It helps calm down the irritated acne prone skin. Then comes tea tree oil. As we all know, tea tree oil is antimicrobial and antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. It's very helpful in killing the P. acne bacteria, which are the cause of acne. And then comes the lemon myrtle oil. Lemon myrtle oil works as an astringent. It tightens the pore, and it also has got antibacterial properties. That's why it is used in the treatment of wounds. Then comes the directions to use. La Clinica advises use this product morning and night. Wash your face with the anti-blemish face wash first. Then apply a generous amount of this intensive spot serum on the affected areas where you have got the acne, breakouts, blemishes and blackheads, and then allow it to dry and avoid the eye area. The third product in the kit is intensive oil control cream. It's a very lightweight moisturizing cream designed for oily and acne prone skin. As per La Clinica, it protects your skin while it fights against acne, breakouts and blemishes. When you have got acne prone skin, you never allow your skin to dry out, because when your skin is dry, it sends the signal to brain to produce more oil. And on oily and acne prone skin, we do not need the production of excessive oil, and this oil control cream provides the skin just the right amount of moisture needed. So in this intensive oil control cream, there are two main ingredients: clear active complex and white brilliant complex. Clear active complex, as I mentioned earlier, because clear active complex is also in their face wash, is designed to reduce the pore size, to maintain the hydration levels, to protect your skin from the post acne scarring, and to regulate the oil production. And then the next ingredient is white brilliant complex. As the name indicates, white brilliant, it helps to brighten the skin, to protect the skin from hyperpigmentation post sun exposure, because it has got tyrosinase inhibitors. So now comes the directions to use. La Clinica advises use this intensive oil control cream morning and night. Wash your face with the anti-blemish face wash first, then use your intensive spot serum, and then apply this intensive oil control cream all over your face and avoid the eye areas. So now comes product number 4 in this kit. This is anti-blemish 3-in-1 facial exfoliating scrub and mask. As per La Clinica, it has got 3-in-1 action. It exfoliates, it deeply cleanses, and it fights against acne, breakouts, blackheads and blemishes. Main ingredient in this packaging is clear active complex, as we discussed earlier, because clear active complex is in most of their skincare products. This is 125 gram of packaging and it costs around $45 here in Australia. Directions to use. La Clinica advises use this product twice a week. Apply it all over your face, leave this mask for good 10 minutes, and then use your fingertips and rub it in the circular motions and wash it off with the warm water. So that was product number 4 in the kit. So the last thing in this kit is this La Clinica facial cloth. As per La Clinica, it's a really good exfoliator and they advise us to use this facial cloth with anti-blemish face wash. So that's it about today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video and got some valuable information out of it. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up, comment below and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until